Hey cruisers and drylanders! Join me as we walk through the Caribbean Princess to check out some of my favorite decks, from the Sanctuary to the Skywalkers Nightclub. Let's go explore! For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship. We're starting up front on deck 17 at the Sanctuary, one of the most peaceful spots on the Caribbean Princess. It's beautifully designed with thick padded lounge chairs and cozy seating arrangements that make you really want to stay all afternoon. At 3 p.m. they serve afternoon tea right to your chair. There's a small fee, $20 for half a day and $40 for a full day. Just below the sanctuary, you'll find the adult pool, open to everyone but usually nice and quiet. Not many people make their way up here, so it's a perfect hidden spot to relax. There are 2 jacuzzis as well, making it a peaceful place to soak and unwind. Next, we make our way towards the middle of the ship to the Neptune pool. It's another mostly quiet area, great for a refreshing swim or lounging with a good view. Above the Neptune pool there is a little sun deck with a putting green, a great little spot to take in the views. We were in San Francisco that day and the view was just incredible. From up here you can even see the big movie screen that hangs above the pool towards the back of the ship. Here we are at the Calypso pool, located right by the Marketplace buffet. There is a big movie screen above the pool, so you can catch a film while lounging in the water. Right nearby, you'll find a bar, the Salty Dog and Slice Pizzeria. Hands down, I think it's the best pizza at sea, so grab a slice at no charge. Just a little note on Princess Cruises, towels are always easy to just grab and go. Now we are walking through a partially shaded area towards the pool at the back of the ship, the Terrace pool. Here you'll find another jacuzzi, perfect for a soak while enjoying the beautiful aft views. We walked 2 decks down to have a closer look at the Terrace pool, and there is another bar here and the entrance to the Marketplace buffet. Planning your cruise? Grab all your essentials from my Amazon store, link below. We are now starting our tour on deck 5 at the Piazza, and we'll make our way up to the promenade deck, walking all the way down to the back of the ship. On the bottom floor of the Piazza, you'll find the Vines Bar, and then the International Cafe, where you can grab a snack anytime free of charge. By the way, their brie croissants are absolutely to die for. Here's the internet cafe, and they also have books and board games that you can borrow. Here is a quick look into the coral dining room on deck 6, just off the Piazza. The other two main dining rooms have a similar layout and offer the same menu, so no matter which one you choose, you are in for a great meal. Here are shops on deck 6. Then you have the customer service desk. And if you walk further down the hallway, you'll find the Crown Grill.
Interruption, I have to toot my own horn. I'm so sorry. We'll be right back with the video. I'm sorry, my second language is English. I've been making this product since 5 years, and I've been giving it away to friends. And now it's finally on Amazon, so I'm really excited about this. It's a sugar scrub with organic coconut oil, lavender oil, and organic sugar crystals. This stuff makes your skin glowing and soft and smooth. Try it out and let me know how you like it. Okay, back to the video. Thanks.
On deck 7, just off the Piazza, you'll find the casino. And here is a nice surprise. It wasn't smoky at all, which makes for a more enjoyable experience while trying your luck. And just to the right, you'll find the Explorers Lounge, followed by the Wheelhouse Bar. Both spots are fantastic for entertainment, from live music to fun game shows. There's always something happening to keep you entertained. To the right, you'll find the specialty restaurant Sabatini's, followed by the photography gallery, where you can browse and select the photos taken of you throughout the cruise. As we continue toward the back of the ship, we reach Club Fusion, always buzzing with entertainment, including stand-up comedy shows and lively performances. One of my favorite spots on this ship is the Skywalkers Nightclub, a stunning glass capsule that seems to float in the air above the ship. The only way to reach it is by walking the walkway from deck 18 aft, which makes the experience feel even more special. It's a perfect place for music, dancing, and unforgettable views of the ocean by day and by night.
And of course, the only team I want you to meet only in the social places, the medical team, everybody. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is only 1% of the entire ship's company that has been looking after you for the last 7 days. Whether it's the front of the house or the back of the house, we have the officers at the very back. Thank you very much for the officers. We have also the bar team, the rooms division, public areas, medical team, from the galley team as well. They're always working behind the scenes, but trust me, everybody. I hope you have enjoyed the service on board the Caribbean Princess. What is very important for us to tell you and to say thank you is because we as a team see you more than our own family, more often. We spend up to 9 months on the ship, so it's incredibly important for us to say thank you to all of you. Thank you for choosing this ship as your holiday destination. Thank you for keep coming back to Princess for all our loyal guests, of course. And welcome to the Princess family once again, to all those guests that are traveling with us for the very first time. We really, really appreciate you on behalf of the entire ship's company. Over 1,000 crew members and teammates from over 58 different nationalities, everybody. This is a true United Nations, and the best part is we all get along really well. Can you believe that?
Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.